Hi everyone, if you're like me, super lazy but still love a clean home, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how I cleaned my toilet in just 3 minutes without even getting my hands dirty. First, here are the cleaning tools we'll use. Disposable toilet brush. Unlike traditional brushes, this one comes with a fixed handle and a one-time use cleaning pad loaded with cleaner that activates with water. Bathroom cleaner. Use any brand you like. I prefer fresh scent. Disposable gloves. Even though we'll keep our hands clean, wearing gloves is always a good idea while cleaning. Alright, let's get started by clearing out any bottles, tissues, and trash from the bathroom. This gives us a clear and organized space to work in. Now we begin with the toilet seat, which is often in direct contact with our skin. Attach the disposable pad to the brush and use the shower head to spray down the toilet. Scrub the seat surface and the underside of the lid with a cleaning pad. After scrubbing, use the shower head to rinse. Next, let's clean the inside. The curved handle makes it super easy to reach all the edges and deeper parts. For those stubborn yellow stains, spray a bit more bathroom cleaner. Once it's clean, push the button to detach the pad and simply flush it away. Use the shower head to rinse the toilet and the brush handle thoroughly. Now the inside of the toilet is sparkling clean. Finally, don't forget the exterior. Attach a new disposable pad and repeat the spraying and scrubbing. For a final touch, spray the bathroom cleaner all over, inside and out, and rinse with the shower head. We are almost there. Mop up the floor. Turn on the bathroom fan to quickly dry everything up. And there you have it! Your toilet is now clean and fresh, and all in just 3 minutes without getting your hands dirty. For more lazy-friendly cleaning, organizing, and home improvement tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time!